also train your brain and not just your inner strength and physical appearance. Because the combination of them all makes you a successful, healthy leader. The elderly keeps winning job-wise because their brains are smarter and not their physical appearances. Because majority of youths occupy their brains with topics to gossip on. What you think and occupy your brain with determines your future. If you could brighten your future like makeups, then you will stop asking who the richest person in the world is. Because that person you are asking for is you.